Hello everyone, Maria here, and today I'm going to show you how to slow down a video. If this helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's say you want to slow down a video because you just want it to look better. For example, I want the ocean to look a bit nicer and slower. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to tap on the lines that I see right here at the bottom, these 3 lines, and then at the top of my screen, this is for iOS 26 by the way, I'm going to see this little circle. Here I'm going to have 2 options, and that is to have the video as normal, or you can bring the playback speed to 50%, and that's going to slow down your video. So I'm going to play it back for you guys. So as you can see, the video is a lot slower. And after you select that, simply tap on done. And now, as you can see, your video will start to appear a lot slower. And that is it, you guys. I hope this helped. And if it did, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.